She's my wife Neha. And our journey to Milan started, it's the first time for our first baby. The journey is, till now, it's awesome. The experience that was given in Milan, it is truly amazing and it is unparalleled experience. And on top of it, the whole journey of pregnancy of my wife, it was taken care by Dr. Sunita, and with her expertise and her experience, she has sailed through the whole pregnancy phase, and she delivered a healthy baby boy recently. And the baby was taken care. First of all, she was taken care in the best possible manner by Dr. Sunita and the whole nursing staff in JP Nagar as well as in HSR layout, where we were mainly registered. And post the delivery of my wife, the baby was kept in NICU for a few days because of less weight. The care which was given to the baby, it is truly amazing. The dedication of the nursing staff is truly no match anywhere, and the dedication of doctor and the pediatrician, Mr. Ravi, it is really a nice thing, and I would highly recommend that anyone with pediatrician or for the gynae should consult first to Dr. Sunita, and for pediatrician to Dr. Ravi. Now my wife would be a better person to explain about her motherhood journey, so she would be the best person to give. I just found to her.
So, as a female, when it starts the 9 months of pregnancy, it's a lot of confusions that when you are doing it for the first time, a lot of confusions, a lot of Google reviews that comes up. But Dr. Sunita, she made that entire 9 months such a smooth one that, every medicine that was being given to me, looking at my, the hiccups that I had during the entire pregnancy time, Dr. Sunita was there every day, in and out, on WhatsApp, on phone. She was just a call away to help me out with my queries and giving me the best of the care that she can give. When it comes towards the delivery piece of it, it was so quick. By the time I was taken inside and by the time I came out, it was the total 30 minutes and the delivery was done. And I was asking at the 40th minute, what happened? Is it a boy or a girl? That I was checking with my husband. So she was super quick in doing that delivery piece. Such an excellent doctor, an excellent lady who comes with an expertise, who knows what each and every patient needs and the care that the patient needs it. Yes, I agree. It was a little disheartening to know when my baby was kept in NICU and it was not given in my hands. But then when Dr. Ravi gave us that confidence that yes, baby is all fine and it's just a normal protocol, a procedure that needs to happen, and it's just for a few days. We both got that confidence from Milan. We got that confidence from Dr. Sunita, Dr. Ravi, and yes, the baby is all with us. He's all doing fine. He's gained weight. He's doing absolutely normal, and today we are so happy to take him back home with us and celebrate the festival that is coming up. So really kudos to Dr. Sunita, Dr. Ravi, and to the entire Milan team who has helped us out in making this dream come true for us. Thank you.
It was our great experience. We wanted to share with everyone. So you can always look positively to look into Milan Hospital as a primary doctor for Sunita and Dr. Ravi. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.